Right then guys, so what I've done, I've made a bench rig as you can see here. This is from a few videos back. Remember I bought this. This is just a power supply I bought years ago. And this is the Whelen. This is the Whelen. I don't know what model it is. There's no model on it. It's the Whelen Siren. So we'll go through all of these first and then I'll show you what I want to do. So what I've done, I've bodged up, pushed them in for now, just to make the connection, just so I can test it, put a fuse in and you can see what's going on here. So we'll come down to the front. So if I turn my power on, power's on. It's going to be very loud, so I do apologise. So what we got, we'll power it on. Oh, that noise it makes when it loads up, I don't like that. So first of all, let's go down to the bottom. Rad. Right, what does rad do? At the moment it seems to do absolutely nothing. Nothing. So we've got PA. PA will be from this. So when you squeeze the side, talking to it, we'll get something out of it. But when we press this, that's loud. Okay. Manual. So manual is just I think the manual part is a bit sounds a bit more Americanized, that one does. Not for what we use here. Hi HF. HF. So that one jumps with HF jumps between three frequencies then. So we've got the normal wail, the yelp and the high-low, which is all these three. So when we press manual on the HF, it goes through wail, yelp, and then high-low. So if I just put it on wail, so that one just does that, and then we go down to yelp, and I think that just does the same in reverse. Now turn that off. My ears are absolutely killing now. That is loud, guys. So I've turned it off. It's a 100 watt speaker. It's pretty chunky and heavy. Just two cables, plugs the back of there, and then we've got all this on here. So this, the way it was wired up, it was crushed when it come out. So turn that off. So I can't get it to work with this PA thingy. The wires have seen better days. I think the connection's crushed in there because I have tried it and I have dismantled it. And even when trying these, I get nothing out of it. It's absolutely dead. So what I'm going to first do is work out whether it's the cable. If it's not the cable, we're going to try the switch next. After the switch, we're going to try the speaker. So we're going to replace all these parts as we go along. But yeah, we could probably find one of these on the old eBay. But I think if we try and use some parts that we got. See, inside the lorry, when I had it, there were, I took it apart now, these, they look pretty damn new. But these are digital. This is digital. So, and just as a quick glance, we've got 5 cables here, and on this one we're going to use 4. I don't think I can get the digital signal out of here, I don't think, to work with our analog system over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow the cable. So I'm going to dismantle, well, I'm basically just going to cut the cable off here. I'm going to cut the cable off at there. We're going to put a brand new one of these plugs on onto 4 of the cables, and then at this end we're going to start working our way back. Take off that and take off that, stick it onto our new cable and try that, and then we'll replace this. I'll probably actually replace this speaker first. Switches are just switches, so I'm hoping that'll be alright, but we'll try and replace the speaker. We'll find some alternative thing to rip that out of, because, you know, it's 24-year-old equipment now, isn't it? That's the only thing I can't get to work. So, I want... don't know if it... yes, because that fixes onto there like that. So we're going to remove that. So, I need some tools. So, to get my tools, to a pair of loppers, some connector pliers, my 4 connector, which will nicely, perfect, and then the 4 thingies that go inside it. So, first of all, let's do this then. Put that to one side. Come back to that. Handy pair of tools. Okay. So we need to pick our 4 colours of what we're going to go for to marry them up with these ones. So we could do black and red. Okay. White we're going to exchange for grey. And this earth cable, which is what that one is, we're going to put the other 2 into there. So let's do it that way, yep. Okay, so put the black, white, green and the brown we put together. So black is in the left one. Okay, so that will just fit right into there, like that. Okay. Alright, now sort this out. So we don't need that now. Foiled. Right. Now we take the switch. This is the switch. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got here and here is positive speaker, negative speaker, and then we got red, white, and then okay, also off there is that we called it green and brown. We done that at the top, just using that one for the black. Okay. So that's our diagram that we've got to follow. So if we desolder them off there and then resolder on these, we're sorted. Everyone has their different ways of doing it, so I mean, again, I just taught myself stuff. So why do it? Done. So now it's just speaker to speaker, which is here. I am thinking okay, so we've got this. So negative was going to the same one as that side, and positive was this side. So that one, that's why it's this side. Right, so plug that back into there. Let's set that up to PA as it is. Turn power back on. So far so good. Tempo, two. Does that work? Hello, tempo, 10. Hello? Right. I reckon the speaker's gone. So, way around this. What's going on here? It's the audio cable. That can be filed. So, got the button now on the side. If we speak into the other side of this, see what happens. So far, so good. Nothing. Hello. Hello. Right, okay. So the question is, what's broke? Damn. So I'm on PA. I mean, look, when we press this, we can hear that feedback coming through here. But nothing coming out. That is highly annoying. Hello. Right, okay. So if it's not my cable and it's not my speaker, switch, but the switch is doing the job. That's the annoying thing. Change the connector's doing its job. Right, change the cable, tried the speaker, made a plug socket for that. Oh. Hello. Mother Jesus H Christ. That is just too loud. Oh! This is me all over. The button has to be pressed right the way down. Haha. Hello. 10-4. Oh. Hello. Can I have a Big Mac, please, and large rice? Thank you. Oh, elements of fun with that. Doses of fun. Because it means I can play my favourite tracks. Just bear with me, please. I'll be out to you in a second. Just bear with. I'll be out with you in a second, sir. So, the speaker for this. The radio was obviously a bit too much, but the principle worked. So, you can use any speaker or microphone. They're both exactly the same. So, either one. What I've done, I've found an old set of headphones, really old, so hopefully it should help with the era of the actual sound as well. So I don't know why that's coming up on there. So I am hoping the depth is not going to be a major factor to the volume, because just a very brief, the deeper the coil, the more it'll move, which in turn will cause more voltage. More voltage means more volume going through here. So one way to do it is to just try it, see what happens. We'll put that to one side. Let's give this a quick solder up. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's give that a little bit of a try now, see if this one works. So, power on. 24 volts. So far so good. No smoke. I'll have to press this. Oh, that's sounding good. Hello. 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 Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. So as we can see, this is working a lot better than the other speaker. This is a lot louder, but still very muffled. We don't like it, but it will do. It will work. It will work for the year it is. So we will put this together now. Thank you. So I am happy that that is going to be absolutely perfect. So what we need to do now is remold this. I think we put that in there, slap a little bit of glue gun around that. Got my glue gun. Right, that goes in there like that. That pushes across that there. It's quite crafty. This here we'll have to sort out. So there, like that. So that's how it would go. I mean, that's pretty tidy like that. Nice in the middle. Oh, it's hot. Okay, we need to put the new sticky. Oh God, I'm not very good at glue gunning. What this does? Ah, it's sticking my finger. I'm moving too much. There you go. That's how it works. The switch is in there, and in we go. So whatever. We'll quickly test it.
Hello? Oh yeah. We working.
So we're happy that that works now. So what I'll do, I'll whack a bit of glue in there, stop that cab from pulling out any further, because I just know when I get overexcited and I'm constantly grabbing the mic, this is going to pull through eventually, and might pull this and tug away at that. So bang a load of glue in between these cables here, just give it a bit of support. Bang a load of glue down here. Hopefully that there will stop them from moving. There will stop that. So now we can recase it back up. I would say do one more last demo with it together.
Oh yeah.
Now it's cable time, not cable time, it's screw time, to be honest. Oh, I'm still got to finish this section here. So we feed that through there, and that's going to plug into there like that. And then here we've got weird clip. Just my wiring. I'm going to just whack a little bit of hot glue on there. Just to hold it all in position. Same goes for the iron there as well. So this just slides on now, like that. Oops. I need down to push everything, just like that. This face should seen better days, but it's the original one, so that will fit on just like that. So have a look at that now. Nice and tidy. New cable. All ready to go. Happy days. That's the volume control for that. I ain't put a screw in there because I don't like that bit there, but there we go. So I've been wiring this up to my bench. Both of those two are positive. Both of those two are negative. So I've been taking my 24 volt positive and my negative voltage, my negative DC there. These two, with the siren plug straight in there, like that. So then guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. What we're going to do in the next video is we're going to put this inside the fire engine and test it with the siren on top. If you haven't already, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.